Good evening, everybody. Good morning to you. Friday morning. Hope you're having a great week and ready for the weekend. Okay, it's Melanie here with Full Band. I miss you guys a lot. So to all the teachers, we're looking forward to a sectional day today with you guys. Today now, you guys are going to be watching Full Band for yourselves. And again, I am keeping track on Schoology of what you are watching and playing along with. So please do your work, do your full band. It's not that long. We're going to do 2 videos today, 2 short videos to break it up so you guys have a little break in between. Okay? This is, first we're going to warm up with our breathing. Then we're going to do a little warm-up scale, easy warm-up, and then we're going to run through our songs. I want to do some of the old songs and then hit a few of the new ones as well. So here we go. This is video 1, full band. We're going to start with some breathing. We're going to breathe in for 4, hold it, out for 4, hold it. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, breathe in, hold it, normal breath out, no hiss, and in, hold, and out, hold, one more, here we go, hold, all the way out. Good job, guys. Cool, let's speed it up and we're gonna do some in for 4, out for 4 hissing. All the way in, all the way out, no break. 1, 2, ready, and hiss it. Awesome, guys. Cool. Now I just want to do a quick scale, pretty much. So we're just gonna do your B flat concert scale up to the 5th note and down in whole notes. Ready? 1, 2, ready. Nice. Let's do our whole B flat concert scale in half notes. Ready? Half notes. 1, 2, ready. Nice job, guys. Sorry, I missed a note in there. Oops, nobody's perfect, I guess. Okay, so now we're gonna go to our Essential Elements book. So please get your book, get your instrument ready to go. Find a music stand or prop up your book on your computer if that's easier. Today I'm playing trumpet, so the trumpets can follow along on the screen with me. Flutes, you'll need your book this week, okay? So I'm switching it up. Here we go, ready? Battle stations. We know this one, so I'm just going to go right into the track. Here we go, guys. We will repeat it. Posture, booty booty, feet on the floor. Nice. I love that song. Okay. Hope you guys do. It's a fun one. So rocking. I can just see Santi Jimenez rocking out to that. Okay, here we go. We're going to keep going. 72 English dance. We did this one for homework. Hopefully, guys, you did not have a problem with this one. If you did, again, let us know. We're here for extra help. for private lessons, whatever you guys need, we're here for you. So here we go. English dance, I'm just gonna play it with the track. Normal speed, good luck people. If you need to slow it down, let us know, we'll work with you. Here we go. Nice job, guys. I like that one a lot. It's very easy. Just ticky-tee, ticky-tee. That's the name of the game. Okay. Big Rock Candy Mountain. I like this one a lot. It's very long, but the rhythms are not too bad. You just have T, ticky-tee, ticky, ticky-tee, ticky-tee. Don't get mixed up with those. And you have first and second ending. All right, guys. Here we go. Let's just go for it. Maybe we'll do this one twice because it's kind of complicated. Here we go. Ready, guys? Posture. Nice. Remember that funny guy in that video? Kind of a country bumpkin guy? Yeah. Just think of him when you play this song. It's really cute. All right, let's try it one more time. I'm going to go slow this time. For those of you that need a little slower, here we go. Ready? Centralize the music. There we go. Centered. Slower. Yeah, that was a little more doable, I bet, right? Not so hard. Hope so. Sounding confident guys at home will like that. All right, people, we're going to go on to 74. All right, last week I played this on flute. Check your key signature. That's the hardest thing. Okay, trumpets were in B flat. I think flutes are in A flat. Trombones are in A flat. You have 4 flats. Trumpets have 2 flats. Saxophones, you should have 1 flat, B flat. I think you guys are in the key of F if it's A flat concert, right? Okay, here we go. Let's give this a try. Watch out for all the little things, the rhythms. Ticky tee, tee ya tee, ticky tee ya ta, ta ta ta, ticky tee ta, bum bum, rest da da dun dun da, da 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 dee ya da da. Okay, watch those 16 notes. Here we go. And track. I'm gonna put it on slow, guys. Oh, it's reggae. I love this. That's so fun. Here we go. Sweet. I love that. It's so cool. Okay, I added some slurs. I don't know, with the reggae, I just got kind of lazy there. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's go to the normal speed. So here we go, a little bit faster reggae. Speeding up your tempo here, people. And I'm just gonna turn it a little bit softer. Here we go. Posture, guys. Nice. All right. My first bell was sticking a little bit there. Hopefully I can get it going. Okay. I like that one a lot. All right, folks. Let's go ahead to 76. We have already done this one, so again, just a review. Let's just do this a slow and a fast whenever you guys are ready. Whenever I'm ready. A slow and a fast version. Here we go. Ready, guys? Review time. Hopefully my valves will work. Posture. Booty booty. Sweet. And let's do it one more time at normal speed. Here it comes. Getting ready, guys. Posture. Feet on the floor. Back's tall. Pinocchio. Here we go. Okay, guys, right on. That was fun. That one's really easy, I think. You guys should have that one really cranking by now. Okay, friends, I will be back. I want you guys to go get a drink of water, go to the bathroom, take a little break, have a snack, brush your teeth, of course, after so you don't blow sugar or snack into your trumpet or your instrument. And we'll kick back with you guys. We'll catch you on the flip side in video number 2 of Full Band for this week. So go ahead and check down below for the next Full Band video. And we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.